Let's move further with another hairdo. Again, we are taking some of the hair strands and we are building a braid out of it. This looks so cute and easy. Just give it a try. The leftover hair is tied up and one after the another we are taking some of the strands with the middle braid. Left-sided braid is taken and right-sided one, and after that we are going to build a center main braid together with the one that we have created from the side braids. This looks so good. Let's move towards another hairstyle. For this one you have to make the partition and some of the divisions. Using some of the rubber bands you are going to place them one after the another. It's very less time consuming. Let's move further. Here we are taking some of the ponytails that we have created in a marginal line, and one after the another we are going to convert it into one single braid. You may require multiple colorful rubber bands for this type of the hairdo. Let's move further with another type of the hairstyle. First you just have to make a ponytail. After that you are going to build a braid on the same ponytail that you have created. Like here we are making it in a twisty manner. Fix it with the rubber band and make a bun out of it. It's very simple and easy also. You can decorate it with some other accessories. Let's move further with this type of the hair, best suitable for the medium length hair. Take some of the hair strands and fix them one after the another using the rubber band. Pull some of the hair strands towards the uppermost direction, and now the leftover hair is taken and we are going to make a plate out of it. You just have to repeat it from the other side in the same way. We are going to make the two plates and decorate with some of the fancy hair accessories, like we are using here flower pins. Let's move further. Make the two divisions of the hair. Take the upper section of the hair and convert it into the braid. For this one we are making use of this hair accessory, that's somewhat ropey type of the accessory. We are going to build a type of the braid out of it. Now in a heart shape we are going to place it together. Now leftover hair is taken from the bottom area and fixed with the upper heart shape braid that we have created. You may require multiple ropey type of the rubber band pins for this one. Let's have a look for our another hairdo. This one is best suitable for the long length hair. First make a ponytail. After that make the two divisions out of it. From the lower portion we are taking another ponytail towards the upwards direction. You just have to repeat it till the whole length of the hair is covered. This activity is very simple and unique also. Definitely give it a try. It looks so good and quite unique also. Let's move towards our another hairdo. Make the two sections of the hair. Now you just have to take the one side and build a braid out of it like a parrot on your screen. Once your braid is ready, after that you are going to make a bunny type of the look. Leftover hair is divided into two braids and fixed together. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned.